What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the Brandon Brews channel. I am Brandon, and I know I told y'all I'm not a chef, I'm not a cook, and all of that. And why are we in the kitchen again? I don't know, but I just had a long day of teaching piano students, and I need to eat. And I had a taste for chicken wings. Why not do chicken wings in the Ninja and make a video? So I'm gonna share a bit more of my process, and I don't know. Y'all get to see me do it. Let's do it. Let's go. All right, so like I said before, this is a quick way of cooking some chicken wings in the Ninja. And unlike my chicken thighs I will be breading these. And by choice, I like to use Hooters wing breading. This is pretty good. I've been using it for a few years. I like to use Soulful Seasoning Salt and Sylvia's Chicken Rub. Yeah, get with this. Get with this. I think they sell it everywhere. So I will be doing drummies and flats. I bought them like that. They came in the store. I didn't have time to, like I said, this is quick, and I did not feel like having to cut and do all of that. And grab you some canola oil spray. This is for when you do put them in the basket so they are not sticking, and it just helps it cook better. But unlike you frying and immersing chicken into pure grease to fry, you don't do that in the air fryer. Y'all already know how air fryer works. I mean, we've been doing this for maybe air fryer's been around for 6-7 years. So yeah. All right, like I said before, we will be using the Ninja. This is the XL Pro, and we used it before as an air fryer. We're going to be using it again tonight. So let's start by seasoning our chicken. All right, so something that I like to do, get your chicken, and what I did, I rinsed it already. And I rinsed it and I dried it. So that's actually maybe something one-on-one air frying. You want to make sure you get your chicken as dry as possible and don't have any water or anything dripping on it, because it just cooks better. And so yeah. So what I also like to do, grab your canola spray and kind of coat it, because this is going to help with keeping your seasoning on here. I mean, we're seasoning the chicken and then we're breading it, so it's going through a lot of processes, and you don't want your seasoning leaving or running all over the place. Then we're gonna get here. I'm gonna go over it with I don't have that much, y'all. That's why I'm being conservative with, because we gotta flip the other side. One thing's for sure, you don't have to do a lot of seasoning, because the breading, the Hooters wing breading, it has a nice seasoning to it already. That's why I like to choose it. All right, and I'm going to grab Sylvia's Chicken Rub. Oh, man, this stuff is amazing. I was just in the store just looking for something different, and I was just like, I'm going to try this. All right, so we're going to flip. My hands are clean. It's just me anyway. We're going to flip and we're going to repeat what we just did. And that is Jax behind me, my dog. And I'm going to actually pour all of this in here, because I don't know, I don't like sealing and opening, but yeah, I just use it all. All right, I'm going to grab the lid as well. Like I said, I am not a chef. I know how to do a few things in the kitchen. But hey, let's go preheat the Ninja. Like I said, it never takes that long to do it, but we're gonna set it up and have it ready to go. All right, so we're gonna press the power button to turn it on. And it always resorts to grill. I guess because that's the main thing of this Ninja is the grill. But we're gonna do air crisp. So we're gonna turn it. You can turn it to the left or to the right. We're gonna go to the left just to go through all the functions. Air crisp. All right, so I'm gonna bump the heat up to 400. And I think 20 minutes is good. So we're gonna press it there. So before it actually starts preheating, I want to put the basket inside there, so we're going to sit it there because I don't want to have to do that later. I'm going to grab my spray, and we're going to spray the basket and have it already ready. All right, now we're going to come back over here to our chicken, and just going to start 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's start with 6 pieces. We'll do one more, 7. We're gonna cover that. Give it a little coat there. All right, and I'm gonna grab another pan to let those sit and rest. So you want to shake the excess off. Like I said, the Ninja actually really heats up really quick. All right, that's all of them. I'm gonna sit that over there. We're gonna repeat it. All right, so it is ready for us to add our first batch because I believe I'm going to have to cook in 2 batches. So let's open it up. And I'm actually going to grab some tongs so I can place these really well so we can get a lot in there. Let's see how many we can actually get in. You want to make sure you're not overlapping. Let's see. I think we can do a bottom row. Probably can get one more in there. Let's see if we can get one more right here. I know that's real close. We can work with that. All right, so let's put it down. 20 minutes it is. I have one left right here, and we got some more to bread, so let's get back to breading and have those ready to go. Time to flip. All right, so you see we have some of the breading that it's still white. So what we're gonna do, and what I often do, take my spray, my canola spray. I take my canola spray, and I'm gonna spray those spots there. Before I flip. All right. I'm gonna hurry up and give us a nice flip. All right, and we're gonna let this finish cooking. All right, so here we go. Two, one, and see what we have. We got a nice color going on. I don't like mine black. No, I don't like all that. Take them out of the batch to do. So, smell good, look good. All right, guys, there it is. We are done. I can eat me some chicken wings. I gotta put the other batch in there, but we can do that later. All right, guys, there you have it. It's that easy. You can put your dinner up in there, get you some wings going. But yeah, I gotta eat. It's getting late, and I gotta be up for the gym in the morning. Be sure to like, subscribe. Let me know in the comments, what are some things that you make in your Ninja Foodi outside of just some chicken wings? I know it's just the normal generic thing, but it's what I had a taste for. So yeah, be blessed.